Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and then again reassemble the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. For this video, I will be using one of my old cubes for disassembling the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First of all, this cube is a little hard to turn and also to remove the pieces, as you can see. So what I can do in this case is I'll just remove the center like this. And what I can do now is just loosen the cube like this. And now when you do that, you can see that the cube is a little loose so that you can easily remove the pieces. You can start off by removing the edge piece at the top. Just place your thumb and slowly hold the cube this way and remove the edge piece. And then one by one you can start removing the corners. And as you remove the first layer of the cube, now you will be able to remove all the other pieces as well. So I have disassembled the cube and this is how it looks. Now to put these pieces back together and to get the cube, we will start with the white layer. We will start building the white layer first. So for this, let us join the edge pieces to the centers. So white and green. Let's get a white and green edge piece, which is right here, white and green. Fit it this way so that it lines up this way, and make sure it's not fit in this way because it is lined up incorrectly. So it is this way. Move on to the next edge piece, which is the white and red. We've got the white and red edge piece. Now once you fit both the edge pieces, let's fit the corner piece. So the corner piece here will be the white, red and green corner piece. We have the white, red and green corner piece here. What we can do is position it in its correct place and just push it inside. So the same way we move to the next edge piece, which is the white and blue edge piece, which is right here. Now the same way we need to get the white, blue and red corner piece, which is right here. The white, red and blue corner piece. Position it in the right order and just push it in. So now we got the first half, so we'll just get the other pieces. Now we need to get the fourth edge piece, which is the white and orange edge piece, which is right here. and fit the corners, white, orange and blue corner piece, just right here. And then the last corner piece, which is the white, green and orange corner piece, which is right here. Now we have completed the white layer, and we will start building the middle layer of the cube. So what we need to do is we need to pair all the 4 edge pieces to complete the middle layer. So to start off, now we will need the orange and blue edge piece, which is right here. So what we can do is we can just turn it 45 degrees like this and just stretch this to insert it in. Now once again we will join the blue and red edge piece. Once again turn it 45 degrees. We have the blue and red edge piece. Now the blue and green edge piece, which is here, another 45 degrees, and blue and green piece. And then now the green and orange edge piece. Again, just make a 45-degree turn and put the green and orange edge piece inside. And now we have completed the second layer of the cube. We'll move on to the final layer. Now we can insert the red and yellow edge piece, which is right here. Now again we will start with the yellow and green edge piece. And now before we go to the next edge piece, we will put the corner piece here. And as you can see, the corner piece which comes here will be the yellow, red and green corner piece, which is right here. Again, take a 45-degree turn, place it properly and insert the corner piece. And now we can get the yellow and orange edge piece. And over here the yellow, orange and green edge piece, the yellow, orange and green corner piece. And now for the final 3 pieces, we're left with the final 3 pieces. For this, we need not put the edge piece, because if we put the edge piece in first, so the chances are you may break the cube again and start all over again. So we will start fixing the corner pieces first and then put in the edge piece. So the corner piece will be, again, make a 45-degree turn. Insert one corner piece here and the next corner piece here. Now in this gap, fit the last edge piece, which is the blue and yellow edge piece. And it's done. So we have successfully assembled the 3x3 Rubik's Cube.